Let's see how to make iPad second monitor windows. In the first step, open Settings on your iPad. Now go to Wi-Fi and make sure it is enabled. Next, open Bluetooth and turn it on. In the next step, get the Duet Display app on your iPad. Now install the Duet Display program on your Windows computer. Now open the application on both devices. In the next step, use a USB cable to connect your iPad to your computer. After that, start the Duet Display program on your PC. Next, wait until the devices sync up. In the next step, open Display Settings on your Windows system. Then select multiple displays and choose Extend. Next, press Apply to save the changes. In the next step, modify the screen resolution for your iPad display. Next, set up the display positions as needed. Next, move the mouse to check if the second screen works. You are good to go.